Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about makeup. I haven't done like a top through makeup look in a while on my channel, so today is just going to be like a basic makeup look. So I'll be doing it's going to be from start to finish basically. So first I'm going to start off by using a moisturizer, and also too I'm using it as a primer too, because I don't have like a actual makeup primer. So for my moisturizer, I'm going to use this, the name is kind of worn off, but this is a Walgreens brand antioxidant facial moisturizer with vitamin C. I don't even know how to pronounce this, but it's like some type of acid. It starts with the H. I'm gonna have it listed down below, but I can't even pronounce it. But so yeah, with that acid and rose hemp oil. So this does not clog your pores, and this is like really good for sensitive skin also too. So I'm going to use this to add some moisture to my face and use it as a makeup primer. So I'm going to go for more of a matte look today. I don't think I'm going to use highlighter. So basically it's just going to be brows, foundation and concealer. So I'm going to be like highlighting and contouring too. Next I'm going to move on to eyebrows. I'm kind of nervous to do my eyebrows on camera, and also too I'm using a eyebrow pencil today because I want my eyebrows to look dark today. So I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil, and I don't even know the name of it. It's just like a basic eyebrow pencil. This is like, I think it says black brown, so it's just like a dark brown eyebrow pencil. So I'm kind of nervous to do my eyebrows on camera, but usually, well, lately I've been doing like soap brows, which I'll make a video on that, or you guys probably already seen a video on soap brows. But when I do soap brows, I use like an eyebrow pomade that works better for me. So I'm just gonna speed through this part because I might be here all day. I don't even know how this is about to turn out with this eyebrow pencil. So I'm just gonna speed through and then come back when I add my concealer.
A few moments later.
Next I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro concealer because it already has a brush on it. I don't feel like using another brush for concealer, so I'm just going to use this to clean under my eyebrows. Okay, so next I'm going to blend out my concealer. I am using this e.l.f. concealer brush. This is my favorite brush to use to blend out my concealer. So I'm just going to blend this out really quick. Next I'm going to move on to foundation. For foundation today I'm using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation. And this one is in the shade Nutmeg. So it's deep with peachy undertones. So this foundation is really good. I've been using this a lot lately. But since I want to go for like a matte look, I figured I would use this one. So it kind of does give you like a matte flawless finish for your foundation. I think I applied a little too much, but let's see what happens. So this is the 16-hour camo concealer from e.l.f. and this one is in the shade Deep Chestnut. So I love this concealer. I probably need to get some more. I'm gonna get a darker shade to contour with, but I love this concealer. And I think it goes really good with the foundation also too. So I'm just gonna highlight under my eye. Just a basic highlight and contour. I don't know if I want to blend this out with my beauty sponge. I need to clean my beauty sponge. I should have did that before I applied this. This concealer kind of dries fast too. So I like to put some underneath my nose. And I'm gonna put some on my chin. And I'm gonna take a little bit, just a little bit, and go down my nose. And then some on my forehead. And I'm gonna take a little, like a dye, and just put it on my eyes. Next to contour with, I'm going to use this Black Radiance HD corrector. This is like really the only thing that I use to contour with, like as a cream product. So this is just like a concealer, a HD corrector concealer from Black Radiance in the shade Dark. This is like the perfect shade for me to contour with. So I always use this one. I'm not contouring my nose. Well, I'm not putting the product like on my nose. I'm not trying to do like a harsh nose contour. I really don't even know how to contour my nose, but I just feel like it's not really a need to contour my nose. So I'm going to use this concealer brush again to blend out my concealer before it dries up on me. Okay, so next I'm going to blend out my contour with this e.l.f. stipple brush. I feel like I'm using like a lot of e.l.f. products. I didn't realize I had that many e.l.f. products, but yeah, I'm using this e.l.f. stipple brush. I like to use this to blend out my contour. So whatever is left on this stipple brush, I'm going to use it to kind of just like go on the side of my nose, like almost like a light contour, nothing too serious. I kind of want to use the LA Girl concealer, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to stick with the e.l.f. one. So next I'm going to take this Airspun powder. This is just the regular translucent powder. I'm going to use this to set under my eyes. So I'm just going to be using a brush. I wish I did wet my beauty sponge, but I'm just going to use this to set my concealer. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Pro Face Powder. This is just like a foundation powder. This is in the shade Chestnut, but yeah, I'm just gonna take this and go over the Airspun powder, that translucent powder that I had put down, over my concealer. Next, I'm going to contour. Well, I'm going to set this cream contour So I like to use this, it's like a brown eyeshadow from this box of crayons eyeshadow palette, and I like to use the brown color right here. This is like the perfect shade to contour with. So I'm going to use this to contour. So I don't know why this side right here is looking a little harsh. I think it's just the camera, but I'm gonna blend this out real quick. So next I'm going to add eyelashes. So I don't even know what, these are like some mink eyelashes, but they're like literally on this little thing right here. So okay, so I like to use this black eyelash glue to apply my eyelashes. So when I apply my eyelashes, I don't put mascara on. Today I'm probably not even gonna put mascara, but for me, like, I just put the eyelashes on. Sometimes I may put mascara on my bottom lashes, but I'm not going to do that today. And I like this glue right here because it dries really fast, so I don't have to wait for the glue to dry. Okay, so I have one eyelash on. I really like these mink eyelashes because they're really like they extend at the end part, and they kind of give you like that cat eye kind of look. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the next lash. Okay, so now that we're done with the face, I'm just gonna move on to lips. So I want to do like a matte lip look, since this is a all over matte look. So first I'm just going to line my lips with a brown lip liner. Okay, so I have my lip liner on. It's a little too dark, but I'm just gonna keep it on. So I was trying to figure out what type of look, what type of lip color I wanted to do. So I'm not sure if I want to use this Maybelline Super Stay Lip Crayon in the shade. This one is in Enjoy the View. It's like a mauve type color, but it's not matte. I don't think this is like a matte color. So okay, so I think I'm going to use this NYX little soft matte lip cream in the shade Dubai. So I'm going to use this really quick. I don't know if this is like the shade I want to go for. I didn't really want to use this, but I'm just going to use this CoverGirl melting pout matte lip color. My lips are looking like really full right now, and I think it's because of that lip liner. But okay, so that is pretty much the finished look. This is my, like, I guess you can say everyday. This is just like an everyday basic makeup look. I wanted to do something that's more matte, so I didn't use any highlighter, which is not normal. I feel like I always use highlighter in all of my makeup looks, but today I just wanted to switch it up a little bit and just do more of a matte makeup look. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this tutorial. I haven't done an actual talk through makeup video on my channel in a while, so yeah, it was really nice to actually sit down and actually do a talk through makeup tutorial. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.